So we got ourselves another video here. This is JR the mechanic. We got a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500, and the problem with this truck here is, well, the customer told us, he was like, man, that truck's been vibrating like crazy. He's like, I think we have fuel problems or something, because vibrates really bad. Like, you get inside the truck and you can feel, but you step on the gas and you don't feel. Usually when it's a misfire, you can feel. If it's a misfire, you step on the gas and you can feel, as you're stepping on the gas, you can feel the engine do this. You step on the gas and you can feel it vibrate, but this one here you couldn't. It's just total engine vibration. A few years back, like 4 years, we were doing a 6.4 diesel engine on a Ford, and my brother actually put the bracket on the wrong place on the cylinder head for the where you lift the engine from, and that bracket was touching the cab. It was just touching the cab, like it actually dug into the cab a little bit. So when he turned it on, you could hear the vibration in the engine. When you step on it, you can hear. So I remember a while back that happened to me with a muffler. So I was like, it's got to be a bracket or something that is touching the cab. And sure enough, I had found the bracket was supposed to flip the other way. And you know, we fixed it and took the noise away. So when I got into this truck here, I knew this was a noise from the engine. So I went ahead and I knew it wasn't the balancer pulley or nothing like that. I knew it had to be some kind of engine noise, because I almost thought it was a balancer pulley. But I took off the belt, took off the fan, and then I remembered about the noise. This has got to be engine noise transferred to the frame, from the frame transferred to the cab. And what it was, here it is, oil pan rubbing. The engine oil pan was rubbing on the frame, and that's what it is. So to make sure that was a problem, because that's what I like to do, I don't like to just guess. We always do things to see if that really is a problem. And what we did here was lift the oil pan. We put some 2x4s on the oil pan, lifted the oil pan off the frame. Sure enough, vibration went away. We dropped it back, vibration came back. Picked it up, vibration was gone. So we knew it was a pan. So on this one here, the engine mount is shot, and so for some odd reason that engine mount's on back order, which is kind of dumb. So nobody has this engine mount. So I already asked permission, the customer. We're gonna give ourselves a little experiment here on this engine mount. Probably gonna cut some tires and shove them in the mount, just to lift the engine enough from the frame here. And that's the problem right here.